How to clean anything with natural hacks. You won't believe the results. What if I told you that you can clean absolutely everything in your home? From burnt pans to moldy grout, from greasy ovens to cloudy mirrors, using just 4 natural ingredients that cost less than $25 combined. What if I challenged myself to clean my entire messy house without a single commercial cleaning product and documented the shocking results? I was skeptical this would work, but after seeing the transformations with my own eyes, I'm never buying chemical cleaners again. Stay with me to the end, because what you're about to see will blow your mind. The challenge that changed everything. 2 weeks ago, I made a decision. I was looking at 15 different bottles of expensive chemical cleaners, and I thought, there has to be a better way. See, could I clean my entire house using only natural that have been used for centuries? I chose the 4 most versatile natural cleaners: white vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and Castile soap. Total cost, less than $25. I documented every challenging cleaning task in my home. My kitchen had greasy stovetops. My bathroom had mold. My living room had dusty surfaces. My bedroom had stained mattresses and dull furniture. And honestly, I didn't think it would work. Before I show you the incredible results and reveal exactly how I cleaned everything naturally, if you're curious whether natural cleaning can actually compete with commercial products, hit that like button right now. And if you want proof that simple solutions work better than expensive chemicals, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Because what I discovered will change how you clean forever. Let's get into it. The kitchen transformations. Greasy stovetop. Years of baked-on grease around the burners. I made a paste with baking soda and Castile soap, applied it, let it sit 30 minutes, wiped clean. The stovetop gleamed. Microwave. Dried food splattered everywhere. I heated a bowl of water with lemon juice for 3 minutes, let the steam work, then wiped. Everything came off in one easy wipe. The bathroom miracles. Soap scum on glass. Mix equal parts warm white vinegar and Castile soap in a spray bottle. Spray generously, wait 10 minutes, wipe clean. I tested this against a commercial bathroom cleaner. The natural solution worked better. Toilet bowl. Baking soda sprinkled inside, vinegar poured over it. Let the fizzing reaction work for 15 minutes, scrubbed, flushed. The bowl was spotless and disinfected naturally. The living room wins. Windows and mirrors. 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water in a spray bottle. Spray, wipe with microfiber cloth. Streak-free. Better results than the expensive glass cleaner I'd been buying. Wood furniture. Mix of lemon juice and olive oil buffed into wood surfaces. The furniture went from dull and dusty to rich and gleaming. The bedroom surprises. Mattress stains. Baking soda paste applied to stains, let dry, vacuumed up. Old sweat stains visibly lightened. For odor removal, I sprinkled baking soda over the entire mattress. Let it sit 8 hours, vacuumed. The mattress smelled completely fresh. Dusty surfaces. Damp microfiber cloth with a few drops of Castile soap. Cleaned all surfaces without scratching. Picked up dust effectively. Why this isn't common knowledge. The cleaning industry generates billions by convincing people that cleaning requires specialized products. There's no profit in teaching people that vinegar, baking soda, lemon, and Castile soap solve 95% of cleaning challenges. And that's how to clean absolutely anything with natural. If this just opened your eyes to what's actually possible with natural cleaning, smash that like button. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and turn on notifications for more natural living revelations. Share with anyone spending too much on toxic cleaning products. Comment which surface you're cleaning naturally first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, trust nature over chemicals, save money, protect health, and enjoy a home that's genuinely clean.